3 Mercury 600 outboards, 2 grills, the largest make fast in production, and we haven't gotten off of the transom yet. Hello, my name is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Maryland. Today we're going to go over this brand new 2024 Cruisers Yachts 50 GLS Outboard. It's going to be a blast. Come on. Beach mode, terrace, however any manufacturers call it, this has been the best way to expand your boat and allow for a bigger entertaining area. With the Cruisers Yachts, I am gaining about 4 foot per side when we drop each one of these down. So plenty of room to move around. You notice I'm in an extra large slip because I've got both sides down. This is the way you're going to be on the hook. You've got people hanging out all over the place. All right. These tables, I've got different mounts for them. I can use any configuration back here. All right. We can order you extra tables. Depends on how much room you want to walk around and how many people are eating back there. But we've got other room to eat in too. So huge loungers here. There is storage under both of these, under the 3 in the back. We're going to come into the salon real quick. For those of you that need to charge your phone while I'm doing this, there are 3 inductive chargers right here. Wouldn't be a boat without bottle storage, no peeking. All right. We've got storage here. We're in the galley, 2 fridges. Does your boat have a 50-inch television? This one does. Yeah. We've got storage here with trash storage. We've got a sink here with a cupboard. Again, more seating here. This is a nice area to eat. If it's Sunday, you're not going to be in the house watching the game. You're going to be right here watching the game from your Cruisers Yachts 50 GLS Outboard. There's power windows, both sides, vent windows, sunroof. Feel like we've missed something. Oh, you know what? I don't think you've seen the bow yet. You got a couple of minutes? Come on, let's go see the bow. All right, well, we've got an enormous bow here, but I want to start with the power window here. Like I said, we have power windows on the side. This is a power window door along with the manual wind door here. Come on forward. I want to show you this immense bow. Watch your step. Oh, wait, you don't have to. This is single level. There's no trip hazards anywhere up here. All right, this is just a deep, enormous cockpit. All right, 1, 2, 3. They're lounging. 4, 5. We've got 6 people. Nobody's touching. We've got radio control up here, cup holders for everybody. This is the spot. If you want additional shade, we've got 4 poles that go in right here and a static sunshade. So you can be shade or sun in the bow, in the salon slash helm, and in the cockpit itself. So you tell me where you want to be. There's plenty of room on this boat for you and your friends. All right, well, now that we've got everybody on board, I'm in my favorite spot. I'm in the command center of this boat, the helm. All right, so I've got 3 huge Simrad screens here. I've got my lighting in here. I've got this is just how I have it set up for me, for the lighting, the engines, my chart over here. All right, got my Seakeeper display right there. My bow thruster, my Mercury sticks with auto trim, and my joystick and my trim tab. So everything is right here. Now, this has got to be probably the coolest boat I've driven in a long time. Like I said, 3 600 Mercuries, okay? Bow thruster. Should be more than enough. But wait, we decided to go 1 step farther at Cruisers Yachts. This joystick integrates in the bow thruster along with the joystick. So you want to talk about tight maneuvering, this is the boat. We also want to talk about safety. You'll notice I have no communication right now. It's because you cannot start this boat with the sides down because safety does matter. All right, let me open the screen door, which I make a point of pointing that out, the screen door on the 50 GLS. We're done for the day. It's time to come down, relax. Come on down. We've got a nice little microwave down here. Another fridge as well. Maybe that's for my cream for my morning coffee. Maybe it's last night's nightcap. My favorite stateroom is forward on this. All right, I've got 2 doors. All right, I've got a lot of natural light. We've put the shades in different orientations. There's plenty of room. Most important thing for anybody that is sleeping on the bed is that is a bed that's easy to make. For those of you that are boaters already, you'll get that one. Now, 50-foot, nice full-sized head with a separated shower. All right, plenty of storage below and above. I can get in there. I can actually take a shower. There's room to move around. So 50-foot day boat. I'm sleeping at least 4. I've got a dry head, and it's a Cruisers Yachts. So well, come on, there's a little more. Now this is a huge bed back here, but it's also a couple of benches. So more often than not, if the kids are with, they want to get out of the sun, or they want to come down and play on their own little devices, I can have 2 bench couches here, or I can have a huge bed back here. There is another TV just like there is in the forward stateroom. So nobody's without the technology, but everybody has the room, just like on deck, to be separate yet together. So the best way to know more about this boat is to come on down and see it in person. My name's Chris Whitman with MarineMax Maryland, and this is our brand new 2024 Cruisers Yachts 50 GLS Outboard. I bet you thought we were finished, didn't you? No, there's always more to a Cruisers Yachts than meets the eye. And that's no exception here with the 50 GLS Outboard. Make note of the Seakeeper 6. All right, it changes, it's a game changer, especially with the number of people you're going to be bringing on your boat. A lot of them are going to be inexperienced probably. We're going to want the AC running. We're going to have the genset going. But this is an owner-operator boat. And the reason that I love Cruisers Yachts is, well, what's that seacock for? Well, it says Seakeeper Raw Water Seacock. Everything has an etched label that tells me what it is. 5 minutes on any Cruisers Yachts, you can figure out exactly where you need to go to do what. Because it's made by us, it's for us, and they're owner-operators as well.